Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Grok 4.5 free AI coding agent. Open web browser, go to Google search, type install Grok, hit enter, scroll down, click on Grok. Now Grok official website is open. Now you can see the Windows PowerShell command. Copy this command. Go to Windows search, type PowerShell. Click Windows PowerShell. Paste the copied command here. Hit enter. Now Grok is installing. It will take just few seconds. Now Grok is installed. Type Grok, hit enter. It will be redirect on browser for the first time. For device authorization, go to terminal. You can see the same code in terminal and browser as well. Go to browser, click continue. You can see the multiple login method. I am logging through Google account. Click continue. Click continue again. Click allow. Device authorized. Go to terminal. Grok 4.5 is here. Try is out for free for a limited time. Type hello. Hit enter. It's showing hello. How can I help you today? So guys, I am given task to him. Create a snake game. I have already generated a game prompt and saved in Notepad. Select and copy this prompt. Paste it here. Add one line. Save on desktop. Hit enter. Minimize web browser. Minimize Notepad. It asks for approval to save file on desktop. Hit enter. Now game is created. Index.html file appears on desktop. Let's double click on it. Click on play. Use arrow key to play game. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to install Grok 4.5 free AI coding agent. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.